Have you ever hidden a private photo or video on your iPhone, but when you go to find it later, the entire hidden album is just gone? It's not showing up in your collections, and it feels like your memories have disappeared. Well, I have a fix for you that is incredibly straightforward. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. The reason your hidden album isn't appearing in your photo gallery is likely because you have a specific privacy setting enabled that hides the album itself. To fix this, we need to hop over to our settings page, open up your settings and scroll all the way down toward the bottom until you see the apps section. Tap on that to see a list of every app installed on your iPhone. We're looking for the Photos app, so scroll down until you find it and tap on it. This opens up the specific settings for your photo gallery. You can customize a lot of things in here, but the one we're interested in is the option that says Show Hidden Album. If this toggle is turned off, the album is completely invisible in your gallery. Go ahead and enable this switch. Now let's hop out of the settings and reopen the Photos app. To find the album, navigate to the Collections tab and scroll all the way down to the Utilities section. If the list is collapsed, just tap on Utilities to expand it. Now, alongside your duplicates and recently deleted folders, you'll finally see the hidden album right where it belongs. Keep in mind that for extra security, you'll still need to scan your Face ID or enter your passcode to actually see the photos inside. And that's essentially how you fix the missing hidden album on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful and want more quick fixes for your apps, make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.